Our client brought us this wedding ring that hadn't been worn in years, and we knew it could be restored. Let's share the repair.
Center stone is missing, so I'm gonna set a brand new diamond and then I create 4 prongs around it to secure the stone. So I'm creating outer frame for prongs. I have to be precise. If I overheat, those chips gonna melt like water and running all over. So I have to stop right before that. I like it. Okay, the ring is all done.
Bring your jewelry repair to Jack Lewis. We know what it means to you. Don't give up on it just yet.